So ang gagawin natin ngayon is fill in the missing Christmas song or lyrics. Okay? Hello, Merry Christmas in advance. So now, Valencia City Plaza. Okay? What is your name?
Cherry.
Your name, ma'am?
Hey, sorry, yeah.
Okay. So, okay, ito. Ang ating gagawin is fill in the missing Christmas lyrics or Christmas word. Okay? Fill in the Christmas word for 100 pesos. Okay? Last Christmas, I give you my heart, but the very next day, you give it away. This year, give me from blank.
Tears!
What?
Tears!
Again?
Tears!
Very good.
Yes!
You have 100 pesos, guys. Okay? Good evening, ma'am. Merry Christmas in advance. Okay, last Christmas, I give you my heart, but the very next day, you give it away. These years, to save me from blank, I give it to someone special. Huh?